Bonjour everyone, Madam Blue here, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, we have another natural press. I believe she might have found me on TikTok. I feel like everybody's been finding me on TikTok, but I can't remember. Anywho, I'm going to be using the same products. Recently, I started using something else because I ran out of my products, but for this service, same products. And also, when I put the products on the screen, it could be all of those or a combination. Typically, I do always clarify. And then I use the product that I show. Leave-in conditioner right now, I'm using the Mazzani because that's what I have in stock. The heat protectants and humidity things, I have about 6 different ones, so it just depends on the quality of the hair which I use, and how many of those things I use. And yeah, that's it. I just wanted to point that out because I don't use the exact same things on everyone. I don't use all of those products, but I may use a combination of those products. Also, as a reminder, the Healthy Hair Guide is always linked below. And it's a simple guide to assist you in your healthy hair and length retention journey. Right now, it is on sale. I'm not sure of the sale. I know you do not need a code. So you add it to the cart, the discount will automatically be applied. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. TTYL.
Don't you think that we should double up, double up, double up? Tell me, girl, what you running from, running from, running from? I just think that we should double up, double up, double up. Tell me, girl, what you running from, running from, running from? Don't you think that we should double up, double up, double up? Tell me, girl, what you running from, running from, running from?
We should double back, double back, double back, ay. We should double back, double back, double back, ay. We should double back, double back, double back, ay. We should double back, double back, double back, ay. We should double back, double back, double back, ay. We should double back, double back, double back, ay. We should double back, double back, double back, ay. We should double back, double back,
bit trim. Do you need a lot of bit trim? Do you just want to take a little bit off the bottom or something? Or you want to...
Okay, trim what you need, I guess. But a little bit.
Oh my goodness.
They haven't been trimmed in almost a year.
Yeah.
More than a year.
Well, if you're not wanting to do a real trim, we could just clean it up, take off a little twinge.
Yeah, let's take off a little twinge.
Okay. I always tell folks how you gotta be comfortable. Don't make you uncomfortable now. So let me just pop in. This is nothing against this person at all. I always tell people what they need to be cut. They're either ready to cut it all off or they're not. So the reason I suggested at least cleaning it up because it was very split and it just was not going to curl right or look right. So I was like, at least just even out the bottom. But if you're not ready, you're not ready. Just know that if you're not ready to cut off all the split ends, you will continue to deal with breakage because split hair just continues to split up the hair shaft and eventually breaks off. So I do recommend getting all of that cut off, but if you want to take it in sections, just know your healthy hair journey may be a little bit longer because you are trying to save damaged hair and there's really no way to save split ends. So just keep that in mind. When it comes to cutting your hair, honestly, once you see it growing in and retaining length, you're not even going to miss that hair that you cut. Also, speaking of that, I want to mention, because people still make this mistake, cutting your hair does not make it grow. Your hair will grow regardless because that is what it's designed to do. Cutting damaged hair off allows you to retain length, which is very important in your hair journey. So that's it. All right, y'all.